What's the name of this kind of fish, Paul?
No, no.
Pecker Willie.
Hold on to the rod.
You just caught your spirit animal. Got any electrical tape?
Second calling in life.
You're right, Brian. You can throw it in the air like doves. Like doves.
Recording this? I don't want to get hit.
Throw them in the air like doves.
No.
I got fireworks for you.
Goes into the lines again.
Bye, bird friend. I love that video. You've discovered your spirit animal, Brian. How does it feel to be one with nature? How does it feel?
I'll tell you what, we just help Mother Nature.
Oh my
It's the
God.
most liberal thing we could do.
God
bless.
Lynn's gonna think this video is so hot.